guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mwikali aka Yellow. To join the yellow squad, please click on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so as you get notified once I upload a new video. So guys, today is another day for Vlogmas and I'm still kind of excited about it. I'm trying still to get ideas of what to showcase during this Vlogmas. And in today's video, guys, we'll be making breakfast. I hope you've really enjoyed the dinner one, the one that I made dinner for you guys. I made dinner with you guys, that is for you guys. Yeah, making liver as I was learning through Pekanarich channels. So guys, today's video we're going to make breakfast as I said, and we are going to be I'll be following a certain recipe that I saw on TikTok. My brother just woke up. Caxton, don't say hi. He was reading for his exam. So yeah, I'll make for you breakfast today. He's doing his exam, so he was like, I think he was studying. I was thinking he was sleeping. You know, guys, I've missed you on this channel, so just say hi to them.
Hi guys.
So I want us today to make there's some breakfast I saw on TikTok, a recipe. I want to try it out, as it was so interesting to me. I don't know why. So it was like sausages imerolwa kwa mkate, then like breadcrumbs. You know, it's an easy recipe, guys, by the way, but to me it was something new and I was like, whoa, I have to try this out. Then I also we'll try see if we'll make 2 recipes, but the major one is to make 1. So without much talking, let me just go to the kitchen and we start with recipe 1. I hope you like that breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay, sawa. And guys, please don't forget to suggest down below what types of videos you actually want to see on this Vlogmas. Yeah, please to share ideas. And if you've liked this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Yep. So guys, I think we have everything that was being used on that TikTok video. There was bread, these ones are smokies. I normally confuse smokies. Yeah, these ones are smokies, not sausages. I normally love sausages, so these ones are smokies. And we have eggs and breadcrumbs over here. Yeah, so I think we can start the procedure. We see if these TikTok recipes if are legit. So we're just beating the eggs. After this is going to, let me see, I think this is okay. So the next step, we're going to be cutting the bread. I saw her do like a cube, like that. I think that's what I saw. Then you do like 2. Okay, I've never tried this. Guys, if you've tried this before, comment down below. I think I should remove all this. Yep. So the next step, I saw her, she was trying to roll it. I need enough holding space. She was trying to roll it. Okay, I bought the small type of bread, guys. I should have bought the larger one for this video. Okay. It seems we'll have to consume too much bread over here. So guys, this was the next step, to roll the bread. I feel because it's not like rolling kamisa, because I bought a small type, we can add another one. Yeah, this feels better. Then the next step was I have to remember this. Was it? Caxton, please remind me. I'll just check. So since my bread is a small type, so you know there's normally the large one. I'm thinking first we make several before I proceed to the next step. Yeah, that's going to be easier. We can use Used to make breadcrumbs. Am I busy? Help me with a plate. I place them inside. Oops. Nimekata na mihehe. Mihehe. Hey, what's happening to me today? I should not be confused. That one looks larger. Not really fit a roll. Yeah, this one has fitted, guys. This one has fitted. Hey. So it's just karabati. This one has fitted. So this one didn't fit. I think we just leave it like that first. Let me see if this one will fit. Yeah, it had to fit, guys. It had to fit. My hands are clean, so this is the next step. Oh my god. Then we roll it here. Oh god. It seems I'm doing this thing the wrong way. Let me just confirm from the TikTok video. Can someone help me with your phone? Open for me. I feel we should add more bread. Do you cover it poa? Let me open. So guys, I have to refer to see if I'm doing the right thing. Oops. Hey, and I'm being messy. Sawa. I think nimeelewa. So from here direct nafa actually we place it to the pan from this step. So let me just make several first before we place that to the pan. Paxton, how many do you wish to have for this?
Like all of them.
Serious? I want to have like, is it 2? Should I make for you like 4? Sawa basi. On it. Today I'm serving you breakfast. Ukienda hiyo exam, siende ukiwa na njaa. Whoa, guys, we did it! Hey! I'm becoming a pro as time goes by. So before I continue dipping them here, I need to heat my pan. This pan is normally very heavy. Yeah. Here, I think ni yote. Yeah, I'm waiting for the oil to heat. Then after that, we shall deep fry them. Yeah, I'm kind of excited. I don't know why I'm excited. Yeah, let me. Then I roll it over here. Breadcrumbs. So, what's the name of this thing that I'm making? Sausage, smoky roll. Now, what name can you give it?
Yeah, you don't smoky.
What have I done wrong today, Paxton? Oh my god. Kwani ni nini nimefanya makosa? Mbona inafanya hapa kwani? Au nimetulia. Nimeamua italiisha. By the way guys, is my quality for my videos improving? Because I'm really working on that. You can add the other ones. So it's just turning here. You want to try cook some? Yeah, sure, you can try. So this tree is one who's going to cook them, isn't it? So let me just first finish rolling this, then I hold the camera for you. Yeah. Oh my god. I didn't expect it to turn out like this. OMG. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Yeah. No, I'm thinking Capstone. We just make all of them, the 3 remaining. Amma?
Yeah.
You'll hurry up.
Yeah.
Your class is at what time?
Like afternoon.
So you have enough time? Yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe. So guys, Capstone is going to be rolling his. You want to wash your hands?
Yeah.
Yeah, please do. Oh my god, I can't believe, guys. Okay, I don't know how to position this, but I will be showing you in a view. Oops, you didn't see that. Roll it on, what is it called? Breadcrumbs. Yeah, roll it. Ipitishe tu vizuri, itakunika yote. Hivyo tu. Yeah. Hata mimi mara kwanza nilikuwa natetemeka. I think mine is ready. Yeah, like that. Maybe add more breadcrumbs.
It's only one remaining.
Okay, sawa basi. Guys, mine are ready. It's just I need to serve them. I think I can use your chopping board. Kindly niweke serviette hapo. Woi, hata mkono yako haiwezi shika. It's okay. I understand totally.
I'm just going to sprinkle.
Oh, you want to sprinkle the knee?
Yeah, I don't see him know it.
Hey, okay guys. I think I wasn't keen doing this. He's more keen. And he's hey, okay, sawa mimi tasiongei. Nataka tutoe hizi.
They're okay.
They're okay. You want to wash your hands?
Yeah,
So you can first wash your hands.
I list them all.
Okay, so let me remove this. Basi. I think one overcooked, so it made like it catches up to the black. Remember?
Yeah.
You shouldn't. Anyway, it's okay. But you're the one who confused me. You're the one who confused me because now. But it's okay. Bora zikulike. Uko sure imeshika ni unaroll hivyo?
No, I just have to keep turning them.
Zisishika. But they could not. Kidogo. Nishike. Okay. You do make it?
Yeah.
Okay, try. Nicheze na moto sasa. Nilikuwa nimeipunguza, juu ilikuwa mingi. This video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up, guys. Give it a thumbs up and just share me out to your friends. You know, at least we can grow the family, the Yellow family, guys. I can't complain. I can see the engagement is improving day by day, and I'm so grateful, guys, because of that. So let's wait for the breakfast. Do this. Let me show you something before you taste.
Yeah.
I've seen something that you can do. Kidogo tu. I want you to slice it. You're getting?
Oh, yeah.
Let me turn the camera. Ebu, kata tu.
I take this.
Yeah, the one I was just biting. I wanted to see something. Like how it looks inside. I'm sure that's... Sunge to me a knife. Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
Hiya. So when you can cut them into pieces. Wait. Ebu taste. Ebu taste one. Ebu took. When do you taste that?
Masterchef.
At when you Masterchef. I wanna chocha. It's just normal, by the way. Okay, we need. Iko poa? Ati like?
I like the way like imeshika vizuri.
Even me didn't expect is that turn out either. So guys, hope you've really enjoyed this video. And by the way, you can try this also at home. It's a very nice breakfast snack. I personally like it. Naomba tumalize chakula kwa mdomo then we talk. Personally, I really like it. It's a very nice breakfast snack. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to do as I've been saying. Give it a thumbs up, share and comment. Yeah. So that's individual log out, guys. Anyway, guys, so that it is for today's Vlogmas. Yeah. Hope you've enjoyed. So till the next one, which is going to be tomorrow. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, guys, by the way.